What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be talking about a method where you can make some very good money without a website, without affiliate marketing, without an email list, without a landing page, without pretty much anything. And so this is going to be an absolutely free method, and so you want to pay close attention to this video. And before we get into, if you like videos about affiliate marketing, making money online, different ways of hustling, things like that, side hustle, things like that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the like button, click the notification bell. And while you're watching this video, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button so it lets me know that I should be making more videos such as this one. If I get at least 100 likes on this video, I will be making other similar videos such as this one. If you don't like this video, you don't understand something, leave a comment explaining me why that is so I can learn more and improve for the future. All right, with that having said, let's get into the presentation. All right, so in this video, we are going to be talking about making money online by writing an ebook and then selling it. And so this is going to be a very unique method. We are not going to be selling it on Amazon. We're going to be selling it some other way, and I'm going to explain how to do everything. And so the thing that I like about Amazon is that I use it to understand what is selling and what is not selling. Amazon for me is market research. Now you can create an ebook. I create my own ebooks and I sell them on Amazon, no problems. I've made money with that. I'm making money with that. But in this example, we're going to be using a different method, okay? And so what I like to do is I like to basically go on Amazon and I like to type something like how to make money. And so I want to see the results, right? And so the first result is how to make money in stocks, how to make friends and influence, right? This is a very well-known book, how to make money, how to make your money last, how to make money online, and some other, how to make millions with your ideas. And so I like to go to the first result just to understand what's going on here. And so we're going to go in here and right away we see some ads here. And these are ads that you can buy. These are like very similar like Google display ads, except they're very specific to Amazon. There are actually two kinds of ads in Amazon. Let me just briefly explain it in case somebody is interested. In that you can buy Amazon ads that get displayed when you search, and you can also buy ads that get displayed on the actual product page, right? And they're going to be very similar content. So for instance, the first result is this one's a beginner's guide to the stock market. We have it's actually zero, right? It's zero. It's Kindle Unlimited. And the way this works is that on Amazon, if they buy this book, basically they get a percentage of how many pages people read that book. So they're making a little bit of money if you're part of Kindle Unlimited. If you're not, it's going to cost you something. And so it's $2.99 for Kindle because I'm not in the Kindle Unlimited program, but I will be if I was. It's free. But anyway, that's not what I want to get into, right? And we're basically browsing. And what I want to understand is this book a good seller or not, right? So there's a couple of ways to look at it. A really easy way to look at it is that you have Amazon bestseller rank, 320 in paid in Kindle store, right? And you can basically go to a calculator and you can basically Google for something called the Amazon sales rank calculator, scroll down and enter the rank. So this is actually 320, and I can basically figure out how many books they're selling per day. And this calculator is telling us they're selling 300 books per day. And so this tells me that this is a fairly good niche, because not only once I start typing, this is one of the first results, or except this niche is one of the first results about the how to make money online. But also this particular book is selling a lot of copies. So there's money in it, right? And a beginner's guide to the stock market is, well, it's how to make money in stocks, okay? It's a very good niche, and it's always going to be a good niche. People always want to make money. Investing, finances is a very healthy niche. And so the next thing you want to do is you want to basically write a similar book, and we're going to be selling it using another method, okay? So what you want to do is you want to click on this look inside, and you want to scroll up. You want to scroll all the way up, and you want to just look at the table of contents, okay? And so this gives you an idea what kind of book that you can write, what kind of content there is. And don't worry, we're not going to be writing this book from scratch. I'm going to show you a shortcut that's going to help you save a lot of time and energy by, skipping this whole step. But you want to understand what this book is all about, right? Because there is a reason people are buying it, they're liking it, there's a reason this product is successful. And so you kind of want to learn. Now, this is not going to be some advanced book about some financial theory or quantum mechanics or anything like that. This is a very simple book, but you want to understand. So we have 13 chapters. the world's greatest opportunity machine, how to get started with stocks, make money with ETFs, right? There's stocks, ETFs, dividend stocks, how to pick stocks like Warren Buffett. And the thing you have to understand is that the chapters are chosen for a particular reason. They're not chosen because this author just got out of bed one day and decided, okay, I want to write this. This is very meticulously planned, right? They know what they're doing. This was chosen for a reason. And so you have to understand that value investing in PE, make money with growth stocks, make money with IPOs, how to profit from a stock that is going nowhere, right? This is very interesting. And right away, I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, how do I profit from a stock that is going nowhere? Like, I have no idea. If it's going up, I buy it. If it's going down, then I short sell it, right? But it piques my interest, right? It kind of gets my interest. And so this is kind of what you want to do, right? And we're not going to write this book from scratch. We're just getting ideas, because this is a really solid way to get ideas, okay? Because you can put all these chapters on your sales page. You can give away first 20 pages of the book. And something else you have to keep in mind is this book is only 78 pages. So this is not some crazy huge book with 300 pages or even 250 pages. This is a fairly short book. 78 pages is not a lot. It's a very short book. And so this is not some crazy bestseller, New York Times bestseller. This is a very, very short book. It's almost like a pamphlet. 78 pages is almost nothing, right? And so the paperback is $7, Kindle is $3. And the next thing you want to do is you want to basically go into Google and you want to type something called PLR content. So we're going to do this together. I'm going to show you. We're going to go into Google and we are going to write PLR content. And what PLR stands for is private label rights. And what that essentially allows you is to buy content, and you're going to have rights to actually own this content, but as well as to sell the content. This is what private label is, that you're getting somebody else's content and you're selling it as your own. This is what private labeling means. I can basically, buy something and then sell it as my own, right? I can sell it under my own brand, and you're getting rights to do that. So when you type this, you're going to get a lot of results, okay? You're going to get, I actually like this Buy Quality PLR. I have no affiliation with them. This was a very cool site. But there's a lot of content. You can get 300,000 PLR articles for just $9.99, right? There's even an ad. And actually, there's 4 ads. I didn't even notice it. You can call it something like banner blindness, because I didn't even notice the ads. But you have a lot of interesting ads, right? Start selling PLR, buy and sell PLR. And what you want is PLR content for stocks, stock market. You're going to type something like this. And you're going to see lots of results, right? Stock market, private label rights. You're free to check it out. Stock market videos. You can even sell like a video course. You can create a website. The options are unlimited what you can do with it, right? And so what we have is 100 stock market PLR articles, pack 1, 180 unrestricted stock market PLR articles. This is actually from a site that I bought before. Let's open both of these so we can take a look, and you can open it in different tabs. And that will allow you to kind of compare and to see what's going on. And so here's the site that I actually purchased from before, and it only costs $5.99, and you're getting 180 unrestricted stock market, right? And so, it's only $6. I know many of you are going to be like, well, this is a free method. It is a free method. You can find for free stuff. There are free stuff. But $6 is almost nothing. It's like 2 cups of coffee, right? But there are free content out there. I actually, downloaded free content that I'm going to show you in a second. But I want to show you 2 kinds of content. I want to show you what you can get for $6 or what you can get for free as well. So $6 gets you all of this. Look at this. Here are titles of 180 unrestricted stock market articles. Who can use this PLR? Affiliate marketers, bloggers, list bloggers. What can you do with this stock? What can you do this stock? What can you do with this stock market PLR? Resell it, use it, etc., etc. And here's what you're going to get. You're getting 180 articles for almost nothing, right? And this is pretty amazing, right? Here's the second piece of content. This is also $6. And you have a lot of this content. You are getting 100 articles, right? 100 stock market PLR articles, right? So you're going to get, if you want, you can buy both, right? You can even buy both, and you're going to spend $12. And you're going to have 280 articles that you can use for whatever you want. And so let me show you actually what I got for free, right? This is actually, I got this for free when I signed up for this best PLR content. It was this one right here. When I signed up for actually buyqualityplr.com, I got this for free and I actually made videos about this. This is actually for another niche, how to build your first email list, right? And this is actually 27 pages, right? It's 27 pages and it's a quick guide and you can get this for free. And if you search hard enough, you're gonna get something like this for free just for signing up for one of these PLR sites. And you can find this in any niche. I haven't found this particular in stock market. I've seen a couple, not a lot, but you can find, I'm sure you can find something free for this. If you don't want to, spend a lot of time, you have $6 lying around, you can buy something like this, or you can buy something like this, 180, or you can buy 100, right? It's really up to you. They're kind of similar. Obviously, I would probably go for 180, and I already know this site. The site is legit. It's only $6. It's nothing, right? And you're going to get something like this. And what you want to do is you want to rearrange this content, right? You're going to get a lot of articles. And, you can obviously, you're going to get this document, right? This doc file. You're going to open it in Google Docs, which is, again, absolutely free, no problems at all. And what you want to do is you want to kind of rearrange it to something that looks like this, right? You want to rearrange it so it's something closer to this, right? Because you don't need a book with 180 articles, right? You need to create chapters, right? And what I mean is, how do you create chapters? It's actually very, very simple. You just basically, you don't want to copy and paste, but you can use the ideas, right? You can use the ideas, right? How to get started. You want this, this is the introduction. This is how to get started. And then he basically is listing, all of these types of investment vehicles, right? You have ETFs, you have dividend stocks, how to pick stocks like Warren Buffett. This is going to be, everybody knows about Warren Buffett. He's a very, very popular kind of this investor, right? Very wise guy. He wrote a lot of books. Value investing, right? And what you want to do, this is going to be very, very similar, very, very simple to do, right? You're going to talk about the greatest opportunity machine, how to get started with stocks. And what you're going to do is, once you download your PLR content, you're essentially going to go out and you're going to group it together, right? So if you take a look at this content, what do we have? 10 golden rules for, this is awesome. Actually, this is really good content. 9 survival tips, 10 golden rules for stock trading success. So you can combine this article with something like, Warren Buffett. You can actually Google Warren Buffett. So you're going to find lots of content on Google, on like just free content available about Warren Buffett. You can include that kind of chapter. You can talk about the overview of the stock market, right? This is actually awesome content, right? Choosing stocks from a consumer perspective. Competition. You want to remove a lot of this content from the UK, like day trading. You don't want to talk about day trading because this is not a book about day trading. So it's actually a good idea that we're kind of going over this because there's a lot of stuff. I mean, they're basically covering everything, right? You cannot build a book from this. You can create like 10 books from this content, but you should not create one book because it's all very different. It's all completely different. So it's just not going to work. But, you can have a book about penny stocks, right? You can create 3 to 4 books from this, if not even more. So the $6 is giving you a lot of very good content that you can repurpose into like a ton of books, like 5 books, even maybe 10 books if you want, because it's all different niches. Like penny stocks is a niche all in itself. So that should not be, right? My simple penny stock picking system, right? New Mexico joins the nuclear renaissance. I don't even know. This is completely separate. So these articles, some of them are related, some of them are not. Let's take a look at this one. Let's take a look at this one real quick. And so, you have a lot of content. And once you create the book, what you're going to do is you're going to go into Google Docs. You're going to put all that content. And later on, you're going to go download as PDF. You can also do download as EPUB as well. Basically, do both of them. You're going to have to file. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go into a site called Gumroad. Gumroad is free for all. There's no monthly charge or anything like that. And you basically can sell products, right? So here I'm signed in. I can basically create a product. So I can basically go into my products and create a new one. Publish your first product. Start selling today, right? Name of the product, name of the book, the amount. I would recommend at least $10 for this book. Next, you can click on customize. It doesn't contain any physical goods. You can do all that. And then when you're done, you're going to have a link to your page right on Gumroad. You don't have to create your own website. No need for landing page, nothing like that. you're gonna have a link to your Gumroad. And Gumroad is actually, a lot of creators use Gumroad. So it's not like affiliate marketing where you have a lot of these spammy links, like with Max Bounty, you have these long URLs. With Gumroad, it's very legit, right? It's very legit because it's like creators use it. Not a lot of affiliate marketers. Well, no affiliate marketers use it. And so it's more credible, it's more legit. And then you're gonna go out to this place called Facebook groups, and you're gonna go out and sell your product. And so here I am in my Facebook account. That's all you have to do. Everybody has a Facebook account if you don't create one. And you just basically go in on your top left corner and type make money. You can type make money stocks. You can just type make money. It doesn't really matter. And you're gonna have a lot of these groups. And all you need to do is basically go into the group, join the conversation, and say, hey guys, I just published a book. It used to cost $20. I'm giving away for 50% off for only $10. It's about, making money with the stock market. And you can pretty much market it here. Like I said, you don't need a website. You don't need anything. Everything is provided for you. Maybe you can get this for free, this PLR content, but I think $6 it's nothing. It's a one-time payment. Everything else for free. And you can basically go into these groups and you can go into make money with stocks. I just published a book and things like that. And you're going to be linking to your Gumroad page. After you complete this product, it's going to look very, very professional. You're going to have a link to do it. And obviously, Facebook group is the only one. You can go into a Reddit. You can go to a lot of independent communities. All you need to do is basically type in Google how to make money with stocks or investing communities or day trading communities or stock trading communities and things like that. And you just go out and say, hey guys, I wrote a book. It's 50% off just for you guys. You can download it. You can buy it. You can download it with one click. It's available as a PDF and an EPUB version, and so it's very easy. You can put it into your Kindle and things like that. And that is how you do it. Very simple. Like I said, you can pretty much choose any niche you want, but I highly recommend going to Amazon first, doing your homework, doing a little bit of market research, figuring out what's working and what's not working. And that is why you want to look at their table of contents and figure out why they chose what they chose. There is a reason they did it, right? And even if you don't want to do this, use this as a template, because if you don't, it's going to be all over the place. It's not going to be very well done if you don't have much experience with it. And so that is the method I recommend. This is a really good method, absolutely free, except for a little bit of change for the PLR content, but you can find free ones, like I said. And that is all I have for you guys for today. And like I said before, if you enjoy this kind of method, absolutely free, no website, no affiliate marketing, nothing like that, smash the like button. I want to see at least 100 likes on this video. Vote with your thumb, smash the like button. Let me know. If you don't like this video, leave a comment below. Tell me why you don't like it. I read every single comment. I reply to every single comment. So let me know what's going on. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Let me know what's going on. But definitely either like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos, click the notification bell. Let me know what's going on. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.